Go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select line, construction line, make a construction line here with 68 millimeters of distance. Okay. Remove the construction line type here. Make a line here with 32 millimeters. Go to constraint, select midpoint, click in the line and this point here. Select the line again, make a line here with 12 millimeters. And another line here with 12 millimeters. Let me see here. We have I made two lines here, sorry. And make a line here. Go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, click in this point here, and this point, make an arc here. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here, and the midpoint here. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between this point here and this is 100 millimeters. The radius here is 16 millimeters. And the angle between these two lines here is 70 degrees. Okay. Now select the line, make a construction line here in this point. Okay, finish the sketch. We have this. Go to create, select revolve, the profile, this profile, the axis, this line here. We have this. Operation new body, press OK. Now go to create and select this face here. Select line, construction line, click here in the midpoint. And in this edge, select a circle, click here. Make a circle here with 80 millimeters of diameter. Okay. We have this. Go to create and select circular pattern. Object, the circle, the center point, selected the midpoint here, the quantity 8, and press OK. We have this. Finish the sketch and go to Extrude. In the Extrude, the profile, select this sketch here. Okay. And extrude here minus 50 millimeters. Operation cut, distances minus 15, and press OK. We have this. Now click with the right button here, go to appearance, go to paint, glossy. I paint all this black. Now select face here, select this face here inside. Put a yellow here, 2 clicks here, you can change the color. Okay. Okay. Now let's select this cut here. And I will paint this yellow. We have it. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.